how invasive is it? And I've got unique tile. So one thing to think about is you don't need to do plumbing work typically. Now, the first question was built in 1988. Galvanized is supposed to last 40, 50 years. Some of this plastic stuff, unfortunately, is breaking in 10. And so, but for the most part, these are older buildings. They've been around a while, so people have changed the finishes. They brought in some custom things like the shower tile you see here. There is no way we're matching them. And so we just have to work around that. And in this case, we were able to go through the ceiling and then go from the wall on the other side was simply drywall, and we didn't even have to touch it, didn't have to do a thing to it, and it worked out great.